those semi-final race highlights for you just in case you are just joining our coverage. Here it is, Malaya Duncan in the black in lane number 4 with Azaria Harris of Alpha on her outside in lane number 5. Duncan, fine hurdler as well, taking charge of the race early and easing away to win it from Harris. Under 12 seconds, the only one under 12 in qualifying, and then in the second of 3 semi-finals, very close race with Sutherland of Clarendon College, Moulton her teammate, and from Homewood Technical in third, Shade Allen. And then in the third and final semi-final, Pottinger of Mount Alvernia running well, but Danelia Clark of Edwin Allen coming through fast to take the semi-final outside 12 seconds. That was the under 18 girls. For the under 18 boys, 100 meters, this was the first semi-final. Byron Walker of Hydel got away to a great start, but the fast 15-year-old Kai Kelly came charging forward ahead of Michael Graham of Excelsior. In the second semi-final, maybe a slight upset, Tyler Morgan of Jamaica College coming through really well on the inside to get the semi-final win, with Trey Watson of Petersfield running a pretty good race as well. So that was the under 18 boys 100 semi-finals. The under 20 girls, and this could be a cracking final, you know. Shanoya Douglas is the fastest Jamaican this season, and she was brilliant in semi-final 1. It was never in doubt, and she pulled away from the rest of the field. The stadium announcer thought that she'd done something pretty special. He said, look at the time, it was only 11:33. Sashana Johnson, known more for her 200-400 quality, the Hydel athlete, but she got the better of Natrice East, the 11:21 sprinter from Wilmers, in the second semi-final. 11:69 her winning time. And then in the third and final semi-final, the former Edwin Allen star Tiana Lee Tarilong, well, this was a stroll. This was easy. She looked in splendid form. 11:49, easing from about 50 meters to go. The under 20 boys came up in semi-final action. This was a tight one. Nyrone Wade of Kingston College coming through late to get by Excelsior's James Harrison. Those two getting into the final for sure. And then the second semi-final, Justin Stewart, the son of Raymond Stewart and Beverly McDonald, coming through late, and Tyrese Foreman easing up. Stewart getting the nod ahead of him. Then it was time for the senior semi-finals in the 100 meters, starting with the women. We had 3 interesting semi-finals. This one, the first. Tina Clayton got a great start. She tried to shut it down. Lavania Williams wouldn't allow her, and neither would Ashanti Moore. Clayton got it though. All 3 advanced to the final. The second semi-final, another hot one. Elaine Thompson-Hero didn't get away to a great start. Had to run back in this one with Jodine Williams flying on the inside. Alana Reed got the win ahead of Thompson-Hero and Jodine Williams. All 3 got to the final. Then in the final semi-final, Sharika Jackson looking in fine form. Janelle Smith closing well. Those 2 through. Sabrina Dockery not getting through to the final at 11.31 seconds. And then to close the series of semi-final races, the senior men. 2 semi-final races, 5 of them advanced from this first semi-final. The reigning world champion, Oblique Seville, ahead of the junior, Gary Card, with Rohan Watson there in third, Waji and Kumi in 5th. And then this was the second semi-final. Akeem Blake on the inside taking charge, with a man they call Sonic coming through in second, ahead of Javari Thomas. 5 from the first semi-final making it through, including Kadrian Golson, who was 4th, and 3 from semi-final 2.